Today we are reviewing the HAWK Helium 20-inch climbing stick. These guys are ultra portable. HAWK proclaims them to be super lightweight. It comes with a pack of 4 climbing sticks and they slip together quite easily. All you have to do is just click them in on these little suction cups right here. Just press them in together, line them up, press them together. There you go. So now let's move on to the assembly. The tools that you're going to need is a 9/16 wrench, a 1/2 inch socket, a number 5 Allen wrench, and a 9/16 socket as well, just to bounce between the U-bracket and the strap support wrench. Each climbing stick comes with 2 tree cleats and 1 strap support, which requires assembly, and the bolts are included. We'll now show you that. U-bracket just tightens in right here on each of these little spots. Just slide that 1/2 inch socket right underneath, tighten it down real tight, and just come around, just do the other side as well. Something to note when you're placing in the strap support, you want to make sure that you put this end through the strap support, but do not put the washer on the top side. Put the washer on the bottom side. That way this Allen wrench end slides all the way through the strap support, allowing you to be able to buckle these things together through the suction cup system. If you put that washer on there, it will not fit. Trial by error. I'm going to finish putting together the rest of these sticks real quick, and then I'll show you how we set them up on the tree. To assemble all 4 sticks, it took about 7 minutes total once I had all the tools in place. Now let's head back to the tree. To get this climbing stick on the tree itself, it comes with a strap that has loops in each of them, and HAWK suggests that you start on this second loop. So you can put it on any tree, and it may not be as tight as you want it when you first put it on there. We've used others in the past. We're just giving the HAWK Helium just a try here. So you just open up that second loop that you're looking for, raise it up a little bit. Some people say, well, that's not tight enough. What you do is you just cinch it down, put your weight on it, and there you go. What I really like about these straps that HAWK sends is that there's no ratcheting that has to be done, and just there's no noise. Try to keep anything minimal. If you would like to, you could tape these things up just to take any bit of metal rubbing up against it if you would have anything on your boots or whatever. Then you just grab your second stick, put your strap in place. I like these little elastic bands to roll them back up. Again, just get it started. If you're wanting to go up a little bit higher in a tree, then just to get your other one, you definitely want to have your harness on. Unlike myself right now, I definitely would get a bigger tree than this, but this is just for video purposes. And then just cinch that down, step on up, put your weight on it. There you go. I like to, typically for me, I like getting to the woods a little bit earlier just to make sure I can take my time, not rushing anything. And then I will, a lot of guys carry everything on their side. It depends on where I'm hiking, if I'm going public land or if I'm just going to land that I own or land that I lease. Then I will make a decision how I want to climb the tree, depending on the situation. Sometimes I just like climbing up and down, carrying 2 with me, and then going down and getting the other 2. That way I don't have any noise in the background. Then at the end of it, if you're wanting to, if you're done, want to wrap it back up, just wrap it real tight. There you go. Each stick weighs about 2.5 pounds, so you're looking at about 10 pounds in total for your stick setup. A lot of times, we don't even carry a saddle platform. We'll just stand on the edge of it. I know that might seem a little bit ridiculous, but if you want to cut down weight, getting where you're going, I definitely suggest cutting cutting down the platform. You can use, if you got an extra stick, like we've got 2 sets of sticks, what we'll do is we'll take an extra stick and just stick it on this side of the tree, and we'll have basically a little platform. That's just kind of what we do if we're wanting to be super mobile, just depending on the situation where you're hunting at. If you're looking for a budget-friendly climbing stick that'll get the job done, you want to go with a HAWK Helium 20-inch climbing stick. You can get it for a great price. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comments so you guys can go and look in there and see that. Go in there. If you feel like buying it from our affiliate link, we sure would appreciate anything that you purchase goes towards Spencer Outdoors, just to help us continue to bring content towards you. And if you've got something that you do differently with your straps, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let us know how you handle the straps a little bit differently. That's just how I currently do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this setup. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more outdoor and faith content. Have a blessed day.